Hi, my name's Alessandra and I'm visiting from Dallas, Texas. I love that the suite has a living room and a full kitchen with a laundry room. I think it's perfect for families and just a big group to stretch out and relax. The spa, surprisingly, was really spacious. I love the multiple pools, and my massage was one of the best that I've had literally this year. I honestly wasn't expecting the ocean to be as clear and as turquoise as it is in the beach. It was really beautiful. It felt very tropical and not really what you would expect from the Pacific Ocean. So I would absolutely come back to Cabo. It's only a 2 hour and 40-minute flight. I think it's the perfect escape. It's far enough to be somewhere beautiful and to get away, but also I feel like it's very affordable and the perfect spot for a getaway. Definitely book the trip. I know you've been waiting to book that special vacation, and this is the perfect all-inclusive resort for either a family vacation, a couple's getaway, or a girls trip. If you're looking for other travel recommendations or you just want to see my experience here at Villa del Arco, please follow me at livingmividaale.com.